How to delete your business profile on Justdial. Now in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can erase, remove, or delete your business profile on Justdial. So the very first thing that you're going to have to do is, of course, open up your preferred web browser. But on this video, I'm going to be using Google Chrome on my mobile device. Head straight into justdial.com's official website and make sure that you're logged into the account where you would like to be deleted. Account deletion is very simple. All you have to do at the top right is you should be able to see your profile icon. Tap on that. And then from here, scroll down and then choose on help. Now, if you haven't verified or if you haven't set up your mobile number from this platform right here, you will not be able to remove it. So you'll have to set it up first. And then on the next page, just simply choose on profile deactivation. And then there you should be able to get prompted on profile deactivation and will be deactivated within 2 business days. Choose on delete account and your account should be deleted. And that is how you delete your business profile on Justdial.